I have been thinking. I'm thinking to change our current fridge. And I found this on Aldi. See our fridge? So old. Don't like it anymore. And then I found this. A 4-door. And I have been looking everywhere. The Sodi and Aldi's got it for $999. Yay! $999 only. But it comes in a little box like that. It's just... Yes, look at that. You open the top, the fridge top like that, and the bottom, the freezer. And the crisper, I think, or whatever it is.
$900,
two
you get a
freezers
little
like that.
box like that. Just add water.
It'll grow. So it's I wish the things inside the fridge and the photo, honey, is in it as well.
Yeah, that's the catch. $1,000 for advantage.
Okay, maybe we should go. Hey, I'm not gonna wait my phone to charge anymore since I have this GoPro going anyway. I'll just put my lippy on so I'll look presentable.
Once you take it home, you call this number here, speak with a representative, and they'll put you through to kind of to quote you a delivery code that's in the box.
Yeah.
And they will kind of explain that it can take up to 5 to 7 days to organise to get it, depending the demand in the region, because it will come from our warehouse, which is obviously free. From Monday to Friday, if you need it on a weekend, it can only be available. That'll come out of your pocket for the delivery. So it's Monday to Friday business days. It's free, and you need to keep your receipt.
Yep. Do you know if they've got wheels on underneath, or you don't? I can't see it in any of the pictures. Oh, it looks like they have.
Surely, like it's free.
The old ones never did. But
Yeah.
The new ones seem to roll in and out there for cleaning.
Yeah, exactly.
But I looked every way on the picture and I couldn't see it.
Yeah.
They didn't give me a good picture underneath.
Doesn't really say. Yeah, well, they'll drop it off into the spot of your home that you, that you want, but they don't take away any rubbish or the whole storage. Yeah.
There you go, that's the fridge. Yeah. How easy is it to buy a fridge? In a box.